So the idea is that we have to read Quran and ponder over it and understand it, and then only we'll receive the guidance. Otherwise, it will all go over our head. If we want to be happy in our lives, the only thing that will give us eternal happiness will be the understanding of Quran and following the guidance of the Quran. Because Quran will become your shield. The life is not bed of roses. There will be ups and downs in the life, but Quran will protect you. Quran will guide you. Quran will give you sabr. Quran will show you the way out of it. Because Quran is what our hearts and our minds need to take us from the miseries of this world. You want happiness? You want happiness in life? Money, children, they're all temporary happiness. But the permanent happiness will come from understanding Quran and by being nearer to the Quran, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, I explained you in a way that my feeble mind understands a little bit of it, and I found happiness in the Quran that I had looked up for in my whole life, and I did not find happiness. Now I am so very, happy every single day, because when I read the Quran, I understand. I try to understand. If I don't understand, then I've got the dictionaries and I've got all the books. So inshallah, when we start our Quran classes, hopefully you'll come and join. And we will take each verse, and then try to study, inshallah. May Allah bless you all. May Allah increase you in your knowledge. And may Allah bring Quran to our hearts, nearest to our hearts. And when we are nearer to the Quran, we are nearer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One has to feel that sweetness and the magic. And it cannot be felt. That sweetness cannot touch your heart. The magic cannot touch your heart unless you learn the language of the Quran. Brothers and sisters, we are not learning grammar. We are learning the language of the Quran with the help of the grammar. So all you are learning is the language now. Of course, we are weak in speaking because we do not practice it in our class, and we do not have the environment around us. But I assure you, those of you who are young, and inshallah you will all go to Middle East someday, and this knowledge will help you. You will be able to speak, and when you will speak, inshallah you will speak very correctly. The way our Prophet used to speak, and way all the Sahabas spoke. The pure Arabic language, not polluted. Not polluted. Unfortunately, in the Middle East, everywhere, the Arabic language has been polluted. But still, when you hear Jummah khutbah, it is in pure Arabic. And also when you hear the news, it is 95% pure. So alhamdulillah.